Alright guys, so I'm over here at Billy's tonight, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be melting down some lead and fashioning them into brand new sinkers. Alright, so now I'm going to cut this piece of lead down with the Sawzall here into smaller pieces. Boom! Lead all nice and hot. You can see the dirt there on the top.
Ready?
And Billy's going to take this wheel bearing grease.
Spoonful of medicine.
That's right. You're going to throw that in there. The boom! Fire, baby! Let that, all that junk just burn off on the top, and once it's all burned off, scoop it out. Yeah. Good stuff right there. Billy getting ready to scoop out the dirt.
Shiny.
Stuff is so incredibly dirty.
What?
A lot of stuff.
That's how you get free lead.
That's how you get free lead. That's the best kind of lead, is the free stuff. So now we got all the dirt out, Billy's going to take the pan and pour this stuff out into the little mini cupcake sheet. Whoa, baby. Look out.
Heavy, heavy, heavy. Always leave a little in there to start the next batch.
That's right. Alright, we're going to let those cool off and then we'll pound them out here in a second.
Nice. You just drop them on in. There she goes.
Awesome. Alright guys, so we're just about done melting down all of our lead. Now we're pouring it and making our beautiful little stickers here. So Billy right here, the
Show them
master. Oh yeah, so the reason why we were melting those down and putting those in the little mini cupcakes.
You can see there's liquid metal in here.
Yep, to melt them down and form them into a size that will actually fit in there. So what we got going on here,
A couple times.
you got little rods to lay in the middle here so you can have something to thread your line through. Otherwise the sinkers wouldn't be much good. Spread down a little grease so that they'll slide right out once they're
A little silicone.
cool. There you go.
Here we
Alright.
go.
Listen to that hiss. There you go.
Then
Things cool off pretty quick. Boom. Look at that.
and then a little hot, so I won't grab it with my hands. But when you do, Oops. Stick this.
Bam.
Sinker. Beautiful.
The no roll variety. Well guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know what you thought of it in the comments. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and check out some of the other content on our channel. We're also on Instagram, so check us out there. This has been Chris and Billy with Show Me the Hogs, and I hope to see you guys next time.